For this installation you will need a trim tool. Start by locating the rear turn signal light. Open the trunk. There are 2 clips to remove. Slide the trim tool between the clip and the pin and then lift it up. Then remove the pin. Now using the trim tool to remove the clip. Apply the same steps on the other clip. Slide the trim tool, lift up the pin, then remove it. Then using the trim tool to remove the clip. Here is showing how the clip and the pin work. Pry open the tail light assembly from the top. Remember to align the clips correctly upon installation of tail light assembly. Locate the turn signal light. Twist the bulb counterclockwise. And remove the incandescent bulb. Install the all-new LED light bulb. Remember to align the 4 tabs upon installation. Insert socket into housing and twist clockwise to lock. Next, align the tail light assembly with the clips. Replace the clip and then the pin. Locating the rear turn signal light on the passenger side and repeat these same steps. These new LED bulbs are so much brighter than the incandescent bulbs. And these new bulbs are CAN bus with no hyper flashing.